What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me, you can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be?
Hey guys, it's Emma Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a good old what I eat in a day. I feel like I haven't done one in a hot minute, so I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm eating all day long. If you guys have been watching my videos for a little bit now, then you probably know that I like to switch with my meals a lot. It just really helps me stay interested with cooking at home, and I've actually been eating out a lot less, which I'm really happy about. I definitely save so much more money and eat a lot healthier when I'm eating at home, so I've just been really trying to cut back on it. Anyway, on to our first meal of the day, breakfast. So we're actually back on that muffin kick, but this time we're making breakfast muffins. They are egg muffin cups. I thought these would be fun to make because not only are they quick and easy, but you can actually make a bunch of different flavors by switching up the meats, cheeses, and veggies. So here are the toppings I'm going to be using for my muffin cups. Some mushrooms, turkey breast, red bell pepper, onion, a little bit of mozzarella, spinach, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. But you could always switch up the veggies for whichever ones you like and change up the meat for like bacon or sausage. I honestly just don't feel like cooking it up right now, so that's why I'm using this turkey. Just got done. They look so yummy. As you guys can see, I only made 6 of them, but if you wanted, you could do 6 eggs with 4 egg whites and make all 12 of them, and then just store the leftovers in your fridge for like a quick on-the-go breakfast. This will be perfect if you have like a really busy schedule. Also, I'm very mad at myself right now because I forgot to spray the pan, so these are not going to come out very nicely. I'm so annoyed. Didn't turn out too bad because I used a spoon to like scoop under it and get as much as I could, so okay, it works. Now I'm gonna add some hot sauce, of course, to finish it off. Breakfast is also a really great way to get in a lot of protein and veggies like right away in the morning. Plus, eggs have a lot of antioxidants in them, and if you guys didn't know, they actually help improve your memory, so there you go. As always, that I just had my breakfast, I'm going to take my vitamin for the day. I'm still taking the same one, but I do want to start maybe incorporating like a hair, skin, and nails one again. I just like ran out of my last one and then I never repurchased another one. So yeah, I'm just taking my Nature-Wise vitamin D3 supplement, good for bone health, immune support, and muscle function. Just taking one of these. I've already shared this multiple times, but in case you missed it, that's what I'm taking. Also, I always forget to mention that I'm constantly drinking water throughout the day. I'm sure you guys could have guessed that, but yeah, I'm always filling up my water bottle. I try to drink as much as possible. Friendly reminder to stay hydrated, drink your water today. It'll give you more energy, keep your skin clearer, and just make you feel better overall. So look at my little love bug. She's the cutest. me super hungry, so I decided to make some lunch. This has been my go-to for like the past 5 days. I'm just not even bored of it yet. It's just so yummy. So I just made a quick and easy sandwich. I'm obsessed with sandwiches. They're probably my favorite food, honestly, but I made it with this multigrain thin bread. As you can see, it's a lot less bread than your normal sandwich bread, so it's a lot healthier, less carbs, but I just put salami, lettuce, tomato, and light mayo on there, and it's so delicious. Then I just have some green grapes. These are so crunchy and refreshing. I've been obsessed lately. And lastly, we have some multigrain crackers. I actually found these at Costco along with this sandwich bread, and yeah, it's just been the best. But I dipped the crackers in this Trader Joe's garlic hummus, and it's just perfection. I'm obsessed with this lunch. It's so quick and easy to make and so delicious. For some reason, I've been feeling so tired today, even though I actually got a decent amount of sleep, but I don't know. So I'm having another cup of coffee, and as you can see, I actually put on a little bit of makeup. It's literally like 5 o'clock, but I'm not even going anywhere, so I'm just getting ready for myself, I guess. Guys, tell me why I thought that bag in the back was literally Nala. I'm tripping. Anyway, after spending an absurd amount of time watching TikToks, I'm finally starting to get hungry for dinner, so I'm gonna make a shrimp stir fry. I actually made this last night with chicken sausage, and it was so good. I can't stop thinking about it, so I'm just gonna make it again with shrimp, and it's gonna be amazing. I ended up finishing that show Baby on Netflix. It was so good. So I'm just watching The Haunted Mansion on Disney Plus right now. I really love this movie. It's actually so good. It's like a major throwback. So I've just been cooking some shrimp in some olive oil. It started splattering literally everywhere, but it's almost done. So I'm about to add in my veggies. I just have some bell pepper, onion, and zucchini. I'm gonna season everything now with some garlic powder, a little salt, pepper, some Italian seasoning. I just added a generous amount of garlic. Now I'm gonna let this cook for a couple minutes, but I'm not gonna cook it too long because I do like my veggies to have a little more crunch. While that's cooking, I'm gonna make some of this rice to go with it. Just some jasmine rice, and you just pop one of these packets in there for 3 minutes. I'm just gonna be using half of the packet because it's 2 servings. So here's the finished dish, guys. It looks so good. I love making stir fries because they're just so easy. You just throw a bunch of veggies and protein in a pan, and you're good to go. I'm just gonna add some low sodium soy sauce. Yum.
Sarah, you give up too easy. You need more patience. Every way is to be patient.
Guys, this stir fry is 10 out of 10, literally. Phenomenal. Top tier. About to have 2 of these babies for dessert. Alright, so I think that is everything that I'm going to be eating for today. Obviously, I don't eat the same things every day. I do like to switch it up, but this is a really good idea of what I might be eating. Obviously, you can tell that I do generally like eating healthy, but I'm not like crazy or anything. Like, if I eat something bad, I don't really care. Like, it doesn't matter to me. But yeah, I'm a major food lover, so if I want to eat unhealthy, then I definitely will. But I definitely notice a difference if I'm consistently eating unhealthy. Like, I just feel gross on the inside, and I don't know, it just doesn't really feel good. So that's why I really value a healthy lifestyle. I also just feel a lot more energetic and well nourished when I am eating healthier foods. It's all about moderation in my opinion. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.